In today's video, we are putting the Segway Navimow i105N and the ANTHBOT M5 head-to-head to see which robotic mower truly reigns supreme. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these robotic lawn mowers, make sure to check the link in the description below. Both of these wire-free marvels eliminate the backbreaking hassle of perimeter wires, yet they achieve this freedom through distinctly different technological philosophies, and understanding these nuances is crucial before you invest. The Segway Navimow leans heavily on its proven RTK technology enhanced with a vision system, which together delivers stable centimetre-level positioning even under dense tree canopies or within those tricky narrow corridors that often plague complex gardens, and its AI-assisted mapping feature is genuinely impressive because you simply guide it once with your smartphone and it intelligently identifies lawn edges to automatically map the entire area, making the initial setup remarkably straightforward. On the other hand, the ANTHBOT M5 takes a slightly different approach with its dual-camera vision system paired with full-band RTK, and its standout feature is the self-mapping capability that creates a complete virtual map in about 10 minutes without you needing to manually drive it around, which is a massive time saver for beginners, and this system handles slopes up to a formidable 45% gradient, making it suitable for nearly all residential yards, whereas the Navimow, while capable, does not boast such extreme slope handling specifications. When it comes to obstacle avoidance, the M5 claims a significant advantage by identifying over 1,000 types of common garden objects with its dual HDR cameras, compared to the Navimow's very respectable 150+ object detection, which could translate to fewer unexpected stops or collisions with toys, tools, or even pets. Yet the Navimow counters with its highly efficient planned mowing patterns that change direction after full coverage to prevent those unsightly tracks on your grass, ensuring a flawless, carpet-like finish that many users absolutely love. Both mowers operate at a whisper-quiet 58 decibels, so neither will disturb your neighbors during early morning or evening mowing sessions, and both offer robust app control with multi-zone management, though the ANTHBOT edges ahead slightly by allowing you to create up to 20 work zones compared to the Navimow's 12, which is beneficial if you have a particularly fragmented yard with distinct areas. However, the Navimow comes with a more comprehensive package that includes the charging station, GNSS antenna kit, and even spare blades, plus it offers a 3-year warranty which provides excellent long-term peace of mind, while the ANTHBOT includes a garage cover in some bundles and offers the flexibility of different package configurations to suit your budget. Ultimately, after weighing all these factors, we believe the Segway Navimow i105N takes the crown for its unparalleled navigation stability in challenging environments, its systematic approach to lawn care, and the sheer reliability of its established brand and extended warranty, making it a safer, more polished choice for homeowners who want consistent, worry-free performance season after season.